All right, guys, here's my latest printed project, the S-92. Don't know much about exactly what's going to be going into the mechanics of this. Took about 2 months worth of printing. I, as of now, just duct taped all of the parts together just to give you an idea of what this beast's going to look like. It is going to be going to my mentor, Mr. Butch Wellmaker. Cannot wait to see what he turns this into. But she's a big girl. To give you a little better perspective on size, let me back up here. I put it on top of some of my gymnastics equipment, but it is in the center of those two lines you see on the floor. Those two lines are 6 feet apart. So I'm thinking this is about maybe 7 feet long. And she's got some girth, as you can see. Let me do another walk around. Hopefully this can catch some of the detail. It's 3D printed on my new Ender 5 Plus. I had a good time with this. This was fun. I'm really appreciating what I was able to do with this printer. And as I said, caught a lot of really cool details. Don't know how well those details will come out. Of course, he's going to be using this for the plug. And we will go from there. I will be handing this off to him, and I'm sure he will be making a build thread. Butch, I'll be sending this video to you. And we'll see how you like it and what you do with it. Anyway, thanks for giving me the opportunity, and enjoy.